This week's Crumbl cookies. Starting off with the caramel apple. This definitely screams fall. I love the caramel and the cream cheese frosting together. And then with the apple, it's the beautiful crunch on top. It is so good. I wish this was available more than just like once a year, because usually it's only available in fall. But I would give this a 9 out of 10 today. It is phenomenal and I love the flavors in this. Moving on to the peanut butter pie. This one is definitely more on the sweeter side, but I love the cookies and cream base with this peanut butter, and the little crunch on top is so good. The flavors work so well together in this one. I would give this one a 9.5 out of 10. I love this combination. Moving on to the Tres Leches. The flavor combination in this is incredible. I love the vanilla cake with the Tres Leche sauce. It is like the perfect amount today. And I love this whipped cream with the little bit of cinnamon on top. The flavors go so well hand in hand in this. I would give this a 9.5 out of 10. I still do like the cookie butter one just a little bit more. Next up is the pumpkin chocolate chip. I wasn't a huge fan of this one last year, and I'm still not a huge fan of it this year. It is a little bit more on the drier side, but honestly, I wish it would have been like stuffed with like some kind of like chocolate chips or something in here, because I feel like the flavor just kind of lacks in this one. I would give this a 7 out of 10. And lastly, we have the maple cream sandwich. If you remember last time, I love this cookie at room temp versus chilled. My chilled score, I would give this about a 7.5 out of 10 yet. Otherwise, when this is at room temp, I know this will be at least a 9 or a 9.5. The flavors come together so much better when the cookie is not chilled.